What's up, VIPs? We are doing the KAVACA Paint Protection Film over here in Orlando. This is actually our shop in Longwood, Florida. Take a look at what we got going on over here. We're actually bulking the hood. This way we wrap the edges. So all edges. This is a 2020 Ford Mustang 5.0. We already did the fender over here. Take a look. So we did the fender. All around the badge is all done. And now take a look at this edge. You don't see any edge where the paint protection film is. Take a look. Here's the paint protection film right here. And we wrap it all the way around the edge. This way it's like a seamless installation. Anytime you're in the area, come by our shop at 389 North US Highway 1792. And we also have another location over in Orlando at 85 West Michigan Street. And we can show you some different options for your vehicle.